The Uran-9 is an armed unmanned ground vehicle design, developed and manufactured by the Russian defense company. It is a multi-purpose platform designed to provide remote reconnaissance and fire support to a variety of tasks conducted by the counter-terrorism, reconnaissance, and military units in urban environments. The main objective is to protect strategic facilities and minimize battlefield casualties. Uran is fitted with a variety of weapons and sensors. The robot will improve the combat effectiveness of the infantry squads while offering maximum protection to the personnel. A typical configuration consists of 4 UCGVs, 1 KAMAZ control station truck to operate the vehicles, and 2 truck carriers. The UGV can be controlled at a distance of up to 3 kilometers. The hull of the Uran-9 provides protection against firing of small arms and shell splinters. The upper part of the suspension is protected by armor plates. The robotic system is armed with a remotely operated turret for mounting different caliber of weapons based on operation requirements. Its armament suite incorporates a wide range of weapons, including 12 SOMM thermal barrack rocket launchers, 1-2 A72 30mm automatic cannon, a Kalashnikov PKTM 7.62mm general-purpose machine gun, and up to 4 9M1201 ATAKA 18-9 Spiral 2 anti-tank guided missiles. Weapon package could include up to 4 Igla surface-to-air missiles, or 6 9M133M Cornet M anti-tank guided missiles. On engagement, ATAKA missile offers a firing range of 6 kilometers, and is capable of penetrating 800 millimeters of armor behind explosive reactive armor. The 2 A72 automatic cannon has an effective firing range of 2 kilometers, and SOMM can destroy enemy manpower and weaponry inside protective shelters and field fortifications with a maximum firing range of 1 kilometer. Uran-9 is equipped with a wide range of remote-controlled sensor modules such as laser warning system, and electro-optic and thermal imaging cameras. The vehicle is also fitted with day and night vision, able to detect targets at a maximum distance of 6 kilometers during the day and 3 kilometers during the night. Power for the robot comes from a multi-fuel diesel-electric power plant developing 300 horsepower, and provides a maximum speed of 35 kilometers per hour on highways. The Uran-9 can travel at a maximum cross-country speed of 25 kilometers per hour, and can attain a maximum speed of 10 kilometers per hour on off-road conditions. It is based on a new track chassis with 6 road wheels, idler at the front and drive sprocket at the rear. The weight of this unmanned ground vehicle is around 12 tons. Uran-9 had a terrible experience in Syria. The unmanned tank couldn't operate as far away from its controllers as expected, had problems firing its 30mm gun, and couldn't fire while moving. Those tests doesn't mean these are without value. It was for this purpose sent to battlefield to check performance, not to fight. Either it performed positive or negative, it is considered as successful, as the vehicle is in the development phase rather than operational. The Uran-9's unflattering debut will serve as a valuable learning experience for engineers working to perfect forthcoming robotic ground warfare systems. There are other unmanned vehicles as well which are currently developing, including Vector UGV, an unmanned variant of BMP-3, Kalashnikov Soratnik. Despite the component, technologies have been available for decades, developing reliable long-distance communication links, sophisticated autonomous operation algorithms, and well-integrated sensors. Targeting systems to allow a distant operator to identify and engage targets, all pose significant practical challenges in developing unmanned ground combat vehicles.